from Tosh Tires. I've got a Vauxhall Mokka here on a 66 plate, which is 2016-2017. I'm just going to show you how to replace basically the rear tail light on this. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. Now as you can see, this one here is working, and then this one here is not working. I've already sussed it out how it is. It's basically right there. That's where you need to sort of get to. The top one is for the side light, and then you got the indicator and everything else is there as well. But to do it, I mean, the bulb you need is a 580. Let me get this, if you can get them. Let me switch the lights off, that'd be better. Right there, that's what you need. Switch the lights back on. To do it, it's simple. All you do is unplug this, take this out, because you've got a little clip right there, so it goes, slots in there. So once you've taken that out, then it'll be easy for you to sort of pull this out, because where it's such a tight spot, you've got to remove that first, and that's the bulb you need to replace. Now if you do want to remove the rear tail light, it's quite simple again. So you've got a screw here, screw here, screw here, and then a screw there, 10mm nut on there. So you remove that and then you can get it done. All I'm going to now do is switch the lights off. The lights are off now. So get the bulb. There's only one way this bulb would go. It's a capless bulb right there. And then I've got a new one here already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug the new one in. So I'm working on my own, so it's a bit difficult, but it's not impossible. That's in. I now slot it back into the hole. Make sure it clips in. That's it, it's clipped in now. And with this one, I'll slot it back through the lug on the back. That's in as well. All I'm going to now do is check, see, make sure it's working. Right, now that I've done it, just going to check. As you can see right there, that's working. That's working as well. All you now got to do is put this back together, make sure they go in, clip in properly, and then put this back together as well, and then put this on. That's it. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know, and don't forget to subscribe, like our video. Thank you. Goodbye.